not for others. Online paper? Am I audible to you? Good evening, online guys. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah. Very good, ma. Online students, please confirm the chat. Yes, very good. Thank you. Sorry for delay. I'm actually have some small meeting with chairman sir. Such a delay has happened. So before going to class, so my name is Omkar Nalagoni. Omkar Nalagani. Currently working as a lead data scientist in Cognizant. So my client is Google. My client is Google, and I have almost experience is 12 years of experience. If it is April will come, it become 13 experience. And I have done my MTech from Electronics and Communications from JNTU Hyderabad. Also, I have done the PG diploma in data science from IIT Tirupati. It is a full-time residential course, a 1-year course, full-time residential course. So this is my education background, and this is my current organization and my total experience. So here, and later that I have collaborated with many companies. Before that, I am in Bangalore. When I'm in Bangalore, I was collaborated with Praxis Business School. I'm still with that Praxis Business School. Audible. Also IMS Pro School. SP Jain. And I also corporate trainer for Brilio company. Corporate trainer, means Brilio is the company. Also, I corporate trainer for Ati from Pune. क्या रे? 1 minute. पूरा disturbance. 1 minute. ఏంటా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే, చలో మా, that is the introduction. Let's get into started. You know what is this course name? What is that course name? Data science and generative AI. What is that? Data science and generative AI. Now the class ko thoda rules hota. The rule number one is class should be proactive, means interactive session. It is not like MBA classes, means Omkar sir will talk with you and you should talk with Omkar sir. Okay. And rule number two is you need to follow rule number one. Rule number follow karna. That is the rule number one. Rule number two, matlab kya? Complete pakka 200% proactive sessions. Okay. You will see a different kind of experience when with Omkar sir, how the proactive sessions will be there. So let's come to the data science and AI. Before going to the data science, and before that it is AI will be there. Now it will be changed as generative AI. Now we change as generative AI. We'll discuss all about that. And today our main focus is what is data science and Gen AI. That is our main focus. First, I will tell you I will make you to understand what is data science. And if you choose this course, what you are going to learn. What you are going to learn. And then next, we'll talk about the syllabus. Next, we'll talk about the syllabus. And then next, job roles, job opportunities, job roles next. And next, what else? Duration and bus. Chalo, let's get started. Online people, a rule number क्या रे? Say yes, 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 yes. बताओ. Online students, am I audible to you? Very good, very good, very good. Chalo. Now, I will show to you some pictures to you. You tell me what is the meaning of that, okay? Picture number 1. बताओ. Evaluation of who? Human being. किधर से किधर? Huh? We don't know no monkey real exist or not coming, but we really know a robotics coming from human being. Now, we are witness. The thing is called human evaluation. The human evaluation, nowadays, the main motto of that picture is the human evaluation from coming from your monkey. You are saying that monkey, okay? Monkey to humans and humans to robotics. How robotics will come into the picture? That is called robotics, nothing but we are implementing a intelligence. We are making a intelligence, and that intelligence will be, it is artificial intelligence. It is not a natural intelligence. It is an artificial intelligence. What is a natural intelligence means? A human being can able to think and respond. The beauty is a machine also a machine also uh, a machine is also able to think like human being, that is the kind of a magic. Before, when I am learning, it's called magic. It's called pura black box. Now it is not at all magic. Now, because why it is not at all magic is, when 1990s, when computers are emerging, when computers are emerging, everyone felt about that losing jobs, lost the jobs. Everyone felt about that. Because before that, computer is very, very new. So everyone is afraid about that computer jobs are there, will lose. But computers are created more jobs, computers are created, lost the jobs. Bolo loudly. We are witness, na? Pura high-tech city is waiting for you. That is New Hyderabad. Computers are creating the more jobs. Now, in 2020s era, people are thinking like that because of AI, we are losing the jobs. Now, AI will create more jobs, AI will lose the jobs. AI will create the jobs, not lose the jobs. AI will create the jobs. The jobs will lost. Which jobs will lost is the automated jobs will lost. Automated jobs. I will tell you what is the meaning of automated jobs. Before that, let's see that another slide. बोलो ये क्या बताओ रे what is that meaning? Online students, बोलो online students. Technology stole jobs. Very good. Next, Marisetti. Next. Online should sleeping or what? अरे sleep मत उठाओ बोलो. Technology shifting. Danyeshwar. Next. Upgrading technologies. Next. Advanced technology. Next. बोलो you बताओ ना. What is that meaning? अच्छा. In 2010, if you want to make a shot from the sky, you need a pilot, okay, a cameraman, a ATC controller, पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए. अभी सिंपल ड्रोन एंड ड्रोन ऑपरेटर. ड्रोन ऑपरेटर इज अ नया जॉब. ओके, ड्रोन ऑपरेटर, ड्रोन इज क्रिएटिंग a new job or not? But overcoming the old jobs. Overcoming the old job. That means in IT industry, what happened, we need to learn the technologies keep on. That is. So today AI is there. Tomorrow something new will come. That we need to be ready, mentally tune our mind. We should be learn. We need to upgrade ourselves. Then only everyone can able to survive in the IT industry. Because IT industry is not a government job, Pura 9 to 5 job. If you don't do anything, also salary milta. ऐसे नहीं होता. It's a pura learning. Learn and grow. Learn and grow. Next one is. ये क्या? बताओ ये क्या? बताओ चिन्ना. Online people. ChatGPT is villain. Huh? Before that, there are so many programming languages are there. Java, Python, JavaScript, HTML. Now everything can able to give what? ChatGPT. That is everything. So ChatGPT is, very, very famous. That is everyone able to see. Now everyone using the DeepSeek also. Okay. Suppose ChatGPT, if you ask that, write a program to create or write a program, generate first 10 numbers using Python. Now it is giving the Python code. Okay. So Python coders gone, huh? Python developers gone. That is only, Google has fired entire Python team. In April 2024, Google laid off its entire Python team. वो Python पर गए, वो भी remove कर दिया. Those who develop the Python also, Google remove that guy also. They are taking that guy into another position. But entire team is gone. So now, which means at this situation, what you need to learn is very, very important. In order to learn anything, you need to differentiate the two ways. One is tools and another one is the technology. Tools and technology. For example, tool means keep on change. Keep on change. That is called tool. Technology means it will constant. Technology means it's a constant, like subject, like physics, chemistry, mathematics will change. No, it will not change. That's coming under what? Technology. That's why transistors, diodes, VLSI design, mathematics, quantum technology, like that. The technology will constant. Keeps on changing what? Tools. Now tell me some examples of tools. First one is programming language. First what we learn in the college days. See, maybe you are not learning. You are still learning C. No? C. Next. C++. Wow. Next. Java. Next. JavaScript. Next. Python. Tomorrow, whatever you read, that will become code. Whatever you like ChatGPT. Whatever you are writing, that become code or not? So the tool is keep on changing. The one tool is constantly remaining same is so long is Excel and SQL database. But that is also in future, that is also will be changed. Upcome technology purpose. What is the emerging technologies nowadays? Emerging technology. बोलो. अरे कोर्स का नाम क्या रे? तो बताओ ना. Data science and AI. Next. Data analyst not. That is not a technology. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is not a technology. Machine learning, deep learning, everything under the data science only. Huh? You have a smartwatch is there. It will always monitor your heartbeat and temperature. What is that? What is the technology? Loudly. IoT. Internet of Things. Machine learning is not a technology, ma'am. Machine learning is under data science and AI. Next. Third one. Bolo. Blockchain. Very good. Blockchain is a cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a technology. Cloud computing. Cloud computing. Very good. Next what? Cyber security. Data secure karna or not? Cyber security. Next what? If you want to do blockchain, nothing but now in the olden days, we have seen rupees, 10 rupees note, 100 rupees note. Now everything is what? Digital note. You seen phone pay. I never carry my wallet. I always carry only the phone because money is there in the now. Now updating this is called blockchain. Now people are creating the cryptocurrency. What is that cryptocurrency? Very, very famous that? Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is now government India also that announced in the last year they want to come up with a digital currency. Now if I think like that currency will be in the museum only in the next 10 years. You'll show to your kids this currency we use in the papa age, childhood age, like that. No pura digital currency hota. Now cyber security. Now you know how many cyber attacks are coming. So these guys are very, very important. Cyber security guys. And one of the famous technology, AR, VR, augmented reality, and virtual reality. Virtual reality. In the future, if you want to drink a beer with your father, you no need to directly go to his home. You can call him. He will sit here beside you. That is called what? Virtually, he is available. You can't touch him, but you can talk with him. Like how you are talking with the WhatsApp. Same way, now he will come. That is called augmented reality and virtual reality. In the shopping mall, in the e-commerce website, if a dress you want to purchase, your photo, your body, if you keep in that website, the dress will come on your body. It will give the rating also. That is called what? Augmented reality and virtual. If you open the iPhone website also, if you keep the phone, if you take your home in your sofa, how your iPhone look likes, that also will come. The iPhone website. That is called what? Augmented reality and virtual reality. Now, the drone technology is coming now. Drone technology. That's called robots and cobots. Robots and cobots. So these all are very, very beautiful technologies. Data science and AI is one technology. Internet of Things is another technology. Blockchain, cloud computing, cyber security, AR, VR, drone. Salesforce is not a technology, ma. Salesforce again is a tool kind of thing only. You might think like the DevOps. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is a concept used by cloud concepts like Azure, AWS, GCP. That is. Now you are talking about machine learning. That's why this class is really helpful. What is the difference between machine learning? What is the difference between deep learning? That is. The machine learning, deep learning, everything under data science and AI only. There's not separate thing. In the outside, people will bluff you. Machine learning separate, deep learning separate. Those who does not believe that because they want to spend more money. Suppose data analyst is there. They want to take 6,000 rupees, suppose. Next, data science is there. They want to make 12,000 rupees. Again, they will say that machine learning part low, extra charge. Deep learning part low, extra charge. AI part low, extra charge. It is only marketing strategy. But if you want to become a data scientist, you should know everything. Now, we forget one more technology is called VLSI design also. VLSI also very good technology. VLSI also. All the chips and everything made by technology only, no? That is it. These all are technology. Bolo technology, badao. First one is what? Data science and second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, augmented reality, virtual reality. Next one, eighth one. Very good. Online people you are saying or not? Online students saying, I will listen here. Very good. Now tools. Tools is, if you learn the tools now, then pakka you need to come to again Omkar sir, so teach me data science. After 2-3 years. This technology is used by tools. This technology will use the tools. Suppose data science and AI. Data science and AI you want to use. Then which tool is required? Python programming language required. So only learning Python is not enough. The technology you need to learn. Okay. The technology you need to learn. Now, not only that, in every batch, I requested to young generation, tell to your kids, means not your kids, your bhai, behanotana, brothers and sisters, those who are entering in the engineering colleges, ask them to choose any one of this course. That is not like regular electronics, regular triple E, regular civil, this any of this course. Nowadays, now BTech colleges also, BTech college also introducing the data science and AI course. If you notice that. But the data science and AI course, people are keeping the optional. CSE plus AI, optional. CSE plus machine learning, optional. They are keeping that. Now, you see, right, in Canada, Ottawa University, the data science is a 4 years degree course. When 2004. Now, kitna? 2025. How many colleges are fully integrated data science course? That is. The technology is coming, slowly coming. Because the USA people are always upper hand on the technology side. That is. So my request is always insist the young generation, choose any one technology, learn. The technology will feed you in the future, not tools. That is the one thing. Now, let's go to one example. Let's imagine, let's assume that you wants to develop a autonomous car. Autonomous car. What is the meaning of autonomous car? Self-driving car. Another name is what, ma? Self-driving car. What is the meaning of self-driving car? Without human only, the car will go. Without human only, the car will go. Now, suppose you are the developer. You are developing that project. Now, Tesla is rigorously working on that. We know that. Now, if you are a without driver, like without human, you want to make, what is you include? How the approach? What is the approach? What is the process? What is the idea? Idea bolo. Bolo. Suppose car is there here. I'll try to draw a nice Benz car for you. I know this car is up and down. Okay, better. Now, this car is going on the road. When on the road, a human being might become, a speed breaker might become, a tree might become, a curve roads might become, anyone can. Now, here, first of all, you need to attach by cameras. some cameras you will attach. This is called, we call sensors. Sensors you will attach. The sensor what will do? Sensor what will do? Collect the data. Sensor what will do? Collect the data. So your smartwatch is collecting the data. When you are entering the home, based on your temperature, the AC is going up, going speed. That is also collecting the data. When you are collecting the data, you collected all the data in 1 second or in 10 seconds. So many sensors, so much data capture. So now, first what we did, step number one, I will put sensors. I will put sensors. What sensor will do? Bolo. Sensors will collect the data. Collect the data. Now step number two. Now huge data will generate. Huge data will generate. Now where you will store this? Where you will store this? In suitcase, huh? Where you will store? Loudly. In your laptop is enough, huh? Your mobile is enough, huh? Then where you will store? Common sense use karo. Where you will store, ma? Cloud. Where you will store? Cloud. Then step three, based on data, you need to analyze it. What analyzation? A human being is there or not? A road curve is there or not? A tree is coming or not? How can my car should understand he is a human being? It is a TV. This is called data analysis. What is called? Data analysis. Now step number four, so much data is there. This is my data, my authority. I need to secure this data. So now secure means here who will come? Cyber security. The beauty of this project, if you see, the first step one, which technology required, ma? IoT. Which technology required? IoT. Second step is which technology required, ma? Cloud computing. Third step, which technology, ma? Data science and AI. Fourth step is which one, ma? See, such a beauty. You are not alone. If you want to make a one successful project, we need everyone. We need IoT guy. We need a cyber security guy. We need a cloud computing guy. Now you need a data analysis and AI guy. So this is the one example how technology is impacting that one process. That is clear, my online people. Can you please confirm the chart? So far good. So far good. Yeah. Now one more question I will ask you. Funny question. Tell me, why everyone is run behind about data science and AI nowadays? But why not cyber security? Why not IoT? Huh? Scope. Everything is scope is there. Why? Because the teachers are ille. The trainers are not available to teach other technologies. Okay. Now find me proper famous professor in the cyber security. Proper famous professor in the IoT. In India, I told na the technology is coming slowly. When slowly will come, people will learn. Why people are not learning blockchain? Because professors are not there. I learned in 2014. At the time, the AI is not available. When I joined in the company, then slowly we learn the AI because we are real-time employee. So we know daily projects, we know how to update that is. So that is the funny thing. So we are not blaming that, but that is the reality situation. Let's come to one beautiful story. Mom versus kid. With this story, you will understand what is data science. Okay, let's see. Case number one. One day, Mom watching movie on TV. Okay. One day mom watching movie on TV. Then kid is asking, Mama, what is that? Mama, what is that? Now what is that? Mom answer. Bolo, what is the mom answer? Loudly. One day mom watching movie on TV. Then kid is asking, Mama, what is that? Now what you will say? It is a TV. It is a TV. Online people are not saying answers. Then kid will try to understand why mama says it is a TV. It is a TV. Means the kid try to understand the patterns. The kid try to understand the patterns. बताओ टीवी का patterns क्या हो? बोलो टीवी कैसे लुक करेगा? हाँ, first of all rectangular box. हाँ, rectangular box. Next, screen. Okay, screen is there. Next, speaker sound, volume is there. Next, वो फाइबर बॉडी वो कैसे पता है किड को? टीवी के अंदर में क्या है? दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, व्हाट ही विल सी, थिंक लाइक जैसा किड जैसा थिंक करो. ओके, व्हाट ही कैन सी? रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स ही कैन सी, एंड स्क्रीन ही कैन सी, कलर्स ही कैन सी, कलर्स 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 ही कैन सी, एंड व्हाट ही कैन सी? Picture nothing but he doesn't know Rajnikant, he doesn't know Shah Rukh Khan, but he know some people who is moving na. That is called what? Moving objects. Moving objects. Somebody is going, somebody is coming, like that, moving objects. So now come to here again. What is the question? Bolo, Mama, what is the answer? Now how kid is understanding it is a TV? Rectangular box. Next, 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 next. Very good. Now case 2. Now this time Mama went to mall to watch a movie in theater. To watch a movie in theater. So Mama is very curious. What is the curious? Mama is very curious. I already trained my kid at home. My kid is asking, when I'm watching the movie, my kid is asking, Mama, what is that? I told him TV. Now I am watching the TV. I am watching the movie again. Now Mama is asking, Beta, what is that? Beta, what is that? Now what is kid answer? Pakka? 100% TV. No doubt in that. 100% TV only. Now Mama says what? No beta, no beta, no beta, that is not a TV. That is what? That is a theater. Suppose that is a movie theater. Then Mama rocks, kid shocks. खत्म. अरे ऐसे कैसे हो गए भाई? इधर मम्मा बोल दिया टीवी, इधर बोल दिया थिएटर. Then he will recall the patterns. Where is my mistake is happened? Because these patterns exactly matching, but still Mama saying what? Theater. Still Mama saying theater. Then he will update. It is a rectangular box, but bigger in size. Bigger in size. It is a screen, but everything is what? Bigger. Bigger screen. And sound also bigger, colors are there, picture. But extra, he can see some darkness more. At home, you will not see so much darkness. Na? In the theater, what happened? Lights will be what? Off. Darkness is there. It doesn't like one more thing, Ray. What is that? More crowd. More crowd also there, na? In the theater. But he likes one thing, Ray. What is that? Popcorn and ice cream. Whenever you show popcorn and ice cream, you will think like that what? I'm in the mall now. I'm in theater now. Like that. So the patterns are updating or not with the GST? Funny. GST. So popcorn and ice cream. The patterns are updating. First question, what is that, ma? Mama, what is that? Answer is what, ma? TV. So you understood some patterns. Second, mama is asking written question. What is the written question? Beta, what is that? Now what is kid is saying? Because he's seen that only first answer. So he understood the patterns. That's why he's saying that exactly TV. Now, based on the mama answer, he is updating the pattern. Based on the mama answer, updating the pattern. Now, case 3. Now, this time, mom watching movie in laptop, like you in the hostel. Okay. Now, mama is asking, beta, what is that? Ab batao, what is the kid answer? TV or theater? Huh? If you are intelligent, your kid is see like this in sky. If you are not intelligent, your kid will say either one or answer. Are you getting? So intelligent kid, a IQ more kid, he does not say any answer. He will simply see on the sky. His IQ is more intelligent kid. Now kids are so much intelligent, nah? Not like us. They know everything. They know charts, YouTube open, everything open. They already know. So the kid behavior, the kid intelligence based on that different things, but definitely he will not. He will neither say TV nor say theater. Neither TV nor theater. So now here what is happening? Here we are passing a data. The data has question is there and answer is there. We are passing a data. The data is question is there, answer is there. Based on the data, based on that, it try to identify the patterns. Identify the patterns when a new question is coming. When a new question is coming, it's try to give the answer. Try to give the answer. This is called machine learning. This is called what, ma? Machine learning. So machine learning, in the simply we can say that in the machine learning, it will take the past data. It will take the past data, try to analyze the patterns, try to analyze the pattern. When a new data comes, it's try to predict the answer. It's try to predict the answer. That is the machine learning definition. When new question, instead of data, you can say question. So this is the definition of the exactly machine learning. Now, how kiddies machine learning happened inside his brain? Now you can see the definition. First, kid is taking what, ma? Past data. What is the past data? Mama, what is that? And it is a TV. Now try to analyze what? Patterns. Now a new question is coming. And try to give the answer. If it is the wrong answer, again train karo. Right answer, thumbs up karo. Simple. Bolo definition bolo. Bolo, it will take the past data. Okay, ruk jao. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell with me, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. It will take past data, try to analyze the pattern when a new question comes, it try to predict the answer. Simple. That's called what? Machine learning. Our whole life is this only now. So we need what? Data. We need what? Data. Bolo again, definition bolo. Hmm. One more time without seeing. Bolo, it will. अरे क्या हुआ? हाँ? You want to repeat? हाँ? अरे इतना simple definition अरे बैठ नको. Don't byheart it. हाँ बोलो. It will take the past data. हाँ. क्या रे bro? क्या हुआ? Last definition. Okay. You want to repeat again? Definition. So now we need data. That's why the famous is saying that data is a new oil. That is a famous word. Means nowadays, those who are having more money is not rich. Those who are having more data is rich. That's why every day, how many spam calls you are getting? Spam calls. वो लोन चाहिए, वो e-commerce चाहिए, blah 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 blah. That is your data is already stolen. Your data is already stolen. My co-brother is there. He's a diagnostic center. He will pay 15,000 rupees for 50,000 contacts. 50,000 rupees for 50,000 contacts. Whenever you go to any supermarket, shopping mall, first while billing time, what they will ask you? Madhyado, don't give. How many are given the phone number? Don't give. I will not give the phone number. Because if you are given the phone number, what they will do? They will sell They will sell for money. That's why you are getting the unknown calls, all these calls. You strictly state that I don't want to give the phone number. Now, let's see this. This science, data science and AI, we have some life cycle is there. We have some life cycle is there. That life cycle, now you understand what you are going to learn in the life cycle. The first one is we need to gather the data. We need to gather the data. That is the first step. We need to gather the data. Second step, the data might be structured data or unstructured data What is the meaning of structured data? What is the meaning of unstructured data? Correct one, tell me. Structured data simply in the exactly some Excel sheets like this. Suppose for example, structured data exactly like this. I am taking one example. This is a structured data. It is a structured data. Here, case ID is there, continent is there, education, has job, requires, number of. Suppose you see this column, okay? How this data look like? How this data look like? You see these columns. These are the data. Case ID, continent, education of employee, has job experience, requires job training, number of employees, year of establishment, region of employment, prevailing wage, unit of wage, full-time position, case status. The main goal of this problem statement is, the goal is here, whether the user can get visa or not. That is the problem statement. The user can get visa or not. The user can get visa or not. Whenever you are going to some visa, then what you will do first? You have your case ID. My case ID is equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now where you are coming from? Where you are coming from means what? Continent. I am coming from Asia. and education of employee. My education is suppose PG. Education is what? PG. Now job experience. Job experience is yes. Request a job training? No. Number of employees. You are going to USA. How many employees are there? Suppose 2000. When that company is established? Suppose 1995. Region of employment. Where is that located? Suppose New York. Now, how much wage they are giving? They are giving the wage is equal, suppose $20. $20 unit of wage per hour. Suppose per hour they are giving. Full-time position. Yes. Last case status. Your visa accepted or denied. Who will say this? Who will say this, ma? Embassy people will say. Who will say? Embassy people will say. Now this machine learning model will say. Machine learning model will say based on which data? Past data. What is your past data? Case ID, continent, education. Imagine that you are filling a application form. When you are filling the application form, when you click on the submit, immediately answer is coming, accepted or denied. That is the backend who is running. Machine learning model is running. Machine learning model is running. We call this called model. Machine learning model or algorithm. Machine learning model or algorithm. So machine learning model backend is running. In order to develop this machine learning model or algorithm, we are passing this all these data samples. Those who are candidates are there and uska visa status. The question is there and the answer is there. What is the answer here? What is the answer here? Case status denied or accepted. What is the question? The case ID, continent, education, these all are what? Inputs. These all are inputs. Now suppose for example, look at the board. X is equal to is there, Y is equal to is there now. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. 5 kitna? Kitna? Loudly 25. How? Don't say like human being. Say like machine learning model. What is the definition of machine learning? Take the past data. Where is the past data? What is the question? What is the answer? Then analyze the pattern. What is the pattern? Y is equal to X into X. New data. New data is equal to what? X is equal to 5. Prediction. Prediction. What is the answer? 25. Okay. A simple machine learning model is running your mind now. What is that machine learning model? Y is equal to X square. This is only machine learning. That's all. What is the definition? Again, repeat karo definition. Take the past data, analyze the pattern. When new data pass, get the prediction. That's all. A simple example. Now we need a different types of data available. Now look at the board here. Suppose you see this. This is one data. Are you able to say anything in this? Except Ramesh, Michael, something. This is called encoded data. What is called? Encoded. It means unstructured data. This is a structured data. This is unstructured data. So when you got the structured and unstructured data, we need a second step is called what? Data pre-processing. What do we call ma? Data pre-processing required. Step number 2. Step number 1 is what ma? Gather the data. Step number 2 is what ma? data pre-processing. Now step number 3, once data is ready, start analyze it. Start analyze. The analysis is called exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. We call EDA. What do you call ma? EDA. So step number 1 is what ma? Bolo. We need data. Next, data pre-processing. Next, exploratory data analysis. Now data analysis completed. Now we need to develop the machine learning models. But machine learning models based on data, different models are available. Based on data, matlab what? Imagine that. Suppose you want to take one funny joke here. Suppose a boy is there. A boy want to propose a girl. How many ways he can do? Bolo, how many ways? ओल्ड स्टाइल क्या है? ओल्ड स्टाइल क्या? लेटर. अरे लेटर रे, ओल्ड स्टाइल. ओल्ड स्टाइल. नेक्स्ट फ्लावर. Some image. Next, you can now your new style is what? In the WhatsApp you are sending na? Some images. So data might be 3 parts. Okay. Data might be, you can say, text part. Text way. Data might be text way. A data might be complete. Audio might be, or video might be, or images might be. Anything is the data na? Anything is the data only. If data has Excel format, then mainly we will do machine learning models. Which models ma? Machine learning models. If data has image or video, then we'll go for deep learning models. What will do ma? Deep learning models. If data is bigger text and audio, then we'll go to the natural language process. So shortcut is called NLP. Now, by using this, anything can work. Either is a structured data, or unstructured, or image, or text, or video, or anything. Now we are using the Gen AI models also. That is. So 4 types of model developments will be available. What is the first type ma? Machine learning models. Second one is what ma? Third one is what ma? Natural language. Fourth one is what ma? Generative AI. So machine learning is mainly for which kind of data? Excel sheet or CSV. Deep learning for which data ma? Image or video. Natural language process which type ma? Text or audio. Generative AI for everything. Generating everything, that is. So total 4 types of models. Now again repeat karo. Step number 1 is what? Gather the data. Step number 2 is what? Data pre-processing. Step number 3 is what? Exploratory data analysis. Step number 4 is what? How many types of models? What are the 4? Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, generative AI. Very good. Fifth one is you are developing a model ma. You developed a model. You developed a model. The model I can't do direct publicly available. I want to test it. It is working properly or not. This is called model evaluation. Model evaluation. Model means what here? Model means just now you taken na y is equal to x square. That is called model. That is called what? Model. That means model. Don't think like that. Model means some other person. Don't think like that block diagram, some human being. Model means this is called model or this is called algorithm. The name is what ma? Algorithm or model. Suppose you are making a good model means your answer is equal to y is equal to x into x. Suppose you are making a bad model is your answer is equal to x into 2 suppose. That's called what? Bad model. Means wrong answers it will give. This is called what? Good model. I want to test it that first. I want to test karna. So model evaluation. So next, once model evaluation done, you need to deploy the model. You need to deploy the model on the cloud. On the cloud. Now, first one is what ma? We need to gather the data. For this, we need SQL. What we need ma? SQL or cloud database or GitHub. We need this in order to gather the data. Second one is the data might be structured and unstructured. क्या करना मा? Data pre-processing. For this, we need SQL and we need Python. What we need ma? Python. So Python will start here now. Now third one is exploratory data analysis. For this, we need SQL, Python and Power BI, and you need a statistics subject also. Statistics subject also you need here. So step number 1 bolo. What is the step number 1 ma? Gather the data. What you need to learn ma? SQL or cloud database or GitHub. Second one is what ma? Pre-processing data. What do you need to learn ma? SQL and Python. Third one is what ma? Exploratory data analysis. What do you require ma? SQL, Python, Power BI, statistics. For the machine learning model is a core subject ma. This is your core subject. Till first 3 subject data analyst. Till first 3 steps is what ma? Data analyst. First in our course we will learn this. First in our course we will learn. We'll start with Python and then we'll do the SQL. Then we'll do the statistics. Then we'll do Python with EDA. Then we'll do the Power BI. By this, your data analyst course is completed. And then next core subject will start. What is the core subject? Your model development. Your model development. How many models are there now? 4. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP and generative AI. Now, development testing also in the core subject only. Now in the deploy time, we will learn Azure or AWS and GCP. These are the cloud ma. In our course, I will teach you cloud also. So Azure is developed by Microsoft. Azure developed by whom? Microsoft. AWS nothing but what is the full form of AWS? Amazon Web Service. And who developed this? Amazon. GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Who developed this? Google. So this is our course overview. Generally now, if you understand the definition, if you understand the steps, you get some idea what is data science and what you are going to learn. Now tell me the steps, tell me ma. First step is what? We need the data. Second step, Third step, fourth step, develop how many models? What are those? Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and next one is what ma? Model evaluation. Next one is what ma? Model deployment, which means I will show you one picture now. So much we need to cover, but in 1.5 hours we not cover na. Just look at this, everything will cover na. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it, but anyhow I will share it. Again tomorrow also we discuss. Now this is the overview, high level overview, not in-depth analysis. Online students, it is not an in-depth ma, it is overview. What you are going to cover. Data analysis will cover. Machine learning applications, deep learning, generative AI, visualization, cloud applications, statistics, mathematics, time series, LLM, Python, SQL, Power BI, Flask, Postman, PySpark, Streamlit, Databricks, Docker, GitHub, LangChain, deployment, MLflow, Azure, BERT. The yellow color is the specialty from Omkar sir. Okay, Omkar sir only can teach yellow color will. Because GitHub, no one will cover here GitHub. Because I am a real-time employee. I know how to teach that is. The MLflow, the Flask, Postman, PySpark. I included PySpark also. Docker also I included ma from this batch onwards. Means previous batch onwards. That is. So this is your high level overview. High level course. Tomorrow we will go each and every depth. Why this useful? Why Power BI useful? Why Flask is useful? I will tell you. Then you will get some idea why you are doing what you are going to learn. So today our main focus is only to make you to understand what is the data science. So I hope we are success in that. Tell me what is the machine learning definition? Take the past data, analyze the patterns. When a new data comes, try to predict the answer. That's all. So now how many steps are there? First step is what? Gather the second step, data. Third step, explore data analysis. Fourth step, model development. Fifth step, model evaluation. Last step, model deployment. Now, gather the data. What you need to learn, ma? SQL and data preprocessing. What you need to learn, ma? Python. When exploratory data analysis, what you need to learn, ma? Python, Power BI, statistics. Develop the model. How many types of models, ma? Machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. And next, model evaluation. Next, deploy the model. So we are good. Course duration is 5 months. Course duration is 5 months. So 4 months when I hota. 5 months is the course duration. Timing is 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Timing is every day. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. So this is. Now fee details. Fee detail is there are two types of fees available, ma. One is we will provide the every material. We will provide all access, all module by me only, ma. All module by Omkar sir only. We'll provide all access plus class recordings also. Class recordings also. Means now I am teaching the class now. That is all class recordings also will do. So for this entire two combination, the total fee is equal to 27,000. Total fee is equal to, sir, I don't want recording, sir. I will come regularly. I don't want. Then the fees is equal to 21,000. The fee is equal to Is a very small fee, ma. That very small fee. I will tell you. Suppose you see this. I'm also collaborated with Praxis Business School. I told na that is in 2023, 2 years back. I generally taught ML ops. There, 10 sessions. How much? 45,000 they will pay to me. Now for 10 sessions they are paying 1 lakh. Now they are ready to pay 1 lakh for only 10 classes. Then how much they are charging for students? 8 lakhs. Same Omkars are available there. Same Omkars are available here. Okay. You will get best of best quality training. There's no doubt. You can just go and ask around here how Omkar sir will teach. Then they will give the feedback. That is. So the fees is very minimal. The fees is very minimal. You can, if you just type that Nalagoni Omkar sir, you'll get some videos also, you'll get it. You can go to anything, that is any video. Suppose I recently covered some ML ops also. Suppose you do this Gemini. So this is a one workshop. It is a one workshop. Just type it. Nallagoni Omkar sir Gemini. The Gemini is nothing but LLM model. Then you'll understand how Omkar sir will teach. You'll understand how Omkar sir will teach. The class will be from scratch, ma. Class will be from scratch. Some scratch means what? You need to bring the laptop, you need to practice in front of me. It is not like MBA. It is not like I will teach, you go hostel, you do not like that. Because when you do everything in the Python, so many people know Python, so many people doesn't know Python. So you will get so many doubts. You need me. Okay, definitely you need a trainer. Then I will clear all your doubts on the spot. The class will go from scratch only. That will discuss again tomorrow, how the class will go and everything. But today my goal is only, because I can't cover everything in 1.5 hour, na? So you come again tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go in depth, some analysis. Today goal is what is data science and machine learning. Green color or red color? Bolo? Green. And life cycle of data science. How many steps, ma? 6 steps. That is also green. Some idea about course. Idea about course. That is also green. This is only my goal, ma, today. Tomorrow, not today, because today is my goal is only this. Tomorrow, I will take each and every question. Each and every question, we will answer that. We'll answer that. Clear, my online people? And after 2-3 days, I will give my number also. You can contact me directly. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, I am free only. You can contact me directly. Then we'll discuss your career goal, what your expectations and everything. Ultimately, my students should get benefit. That is only the thing. Shalom. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Online students. Chalo, bolo, bye, bolo. Shalom. See you tomorrow.